time on Roadkill Garage, we're making the Vanishing Paint Challenger 80% more bitchin'.
Oh, bigger, badder, and better than ever, buddy. Yeah!
It's time to put the starter in, and the car would have originally come with something like this. This is an OEM starter for 1970 through probably the 1980s, and you can see it's really big, it's heavy, and it's bulky. And when you have headers, it's really tough to fit in there. So what I like to do is replace it with this. This is a mini starter for a 1995 Dodge truck application, and it fits these old engines and transmissions perfectly. There we go. It's in. That would be impossible with the stock starter. I'll tell you that right now.
Okay, now we find out how the Vanishing Paint actually works.
That was definitely first gear. I guess a 3.0 gear, right?
It's 3.0s, yeah. I always like the smell of new engine, new spray paint,
Yeah.
gasket sealer burning in.
Yeah, it's really pleasant, isn't it?
I'm Christian Arriero.
I'm Douglas Glad.
This is Week to Wicked, presented by Performance Online. And in this episode, we're going to be building a 69 Camaro.
It's going to have a supercharged LS 427 that makes 900 horsepower. Also a stick shift and little tiny tires.
Yeah, so backing it up is going to be a T56. A lot of cool stuff on this car, so we're going to get this day going. POL guys are behind us, getting the car situated, and we're about to get started.
Let's build it.
Let's go.
We're day 2 of our build. We're starting to get our motor together. We're going to throw our Holley valve covers on there, our E3 coil packs, spark plugs, and Duralast plug wires on it. Just on the coil packs right now, leave them hanging because later on we're going to have our headers come in and I don't want to have to sit there and pop them all off again. So.
Okay, battery is on. Battery is on. Stay.
This time on Roadkill Garage, we're bringing back the Wreck Runner. It's half a 68 Roadrunner, half a 68 Satellite.
Oh yeah, in the shop, on the road, on the dirt, and on the track.
You forgot massive burnouts for distance.
Oh yeah, 383 4-speed power, baby.
Install it when I'm on break.
Oh, I thought you were putting that in.
All right, so it's day 1 of our Hot Rod Week to Wicked, presented by Duralast, and next to me is a 69 Chevelle. It's in really pretty good shape, body-wise, chassis-wise, it's pretty solid. Christian tried to drive the car.
Yeah, I mean, it's got over 200,000 miles on it. The back sags, suspension up front feels pretty loose, doesn't stop as well. So
Yep.
I think this thing needs a makeover. How long do we have?
Well, what's the show called?
A Week to Wicked.
Yeah, so we got about a week to do this car, and we're gonna get started now. So Duralast sent us over a Polar kit. Kind of comes with everything for tie rods, and I'm gonna use this one for the pitman arm right now. See how it works.
Oh, wow, there you go.
Nice.
Okay, so I'm putting on my Duralast Gold starter, and we're going with this option because it is lightweight, it's small, especially in you know, a different application like ours, might run into headers, so that definitely helps. It's powerful, and also one thing that I really like about it is quiet. So let's go ahead and bolt it on.
And I'll start terminating our wires, and when we're ready to fire it up, we'll connect our battery cables and we'll be good to go.
we had before. It's super annoying.
All right, so it's day one of Week to Wheelin' with four-wheeler magazine presented by Golden Star, and well behind us is a brand new Bronco.
That's right. When he says brand new, there's nothing that wasn't on this planet a year ago, aside from maybe a couple little parts that's going in this thing. So with the popularity of early Broncos these days, prices going through the roof for a rusted out Hulk, makes sense to start with brand new sheet metal, and that's what Golden Star's allowed everyone to do. We've got a brand new Golden Star chassis, brand new Golden Star body. Last week we did a little bit of paint, body, and assembly prep, and so now it's time to get going. There we go, we are Duralasted. Hi, I'm Christian Hazel with MotorTrend. We're going to show you how to replace your brakes at home. Let it go slowly and gradually. The boom or bottom, that's all the way in. Now when I install the new pads, they'll fit over the rotor. So now we can install our Duralast Gold brake pads. Then we can reinstall our caliper. So that's an easy at-home how-to of how to upgrade your braking system with some parts from Duralast. I'm Christian Hazel. Thanks for watching.
This time on Roadkill Garage, reviving the Crusher Impala from the dead.
It's back and it's on the track.
498 cubic inches, baby. Okay, hold on.
All right. And
Wait, I can't see my bolt. I'm right on it there.
yep.
Woo. Yeah, it wasn't too bad at all. Not at all. Okay, Freiburger, we've just grown up a whole bunch.